I want to watch my show, Liam. No, my show is better. This is my show now. You are so selfish, Liam. Fine. I will not fight anymore. Oh, Mr. Wilson is in his garden. He is always so kind. I like Mr. Wilson. Oh no, Mr. Wilson fell down. Liam, come look. Mr. Wilson is hurt. Liam, please. He's hurt. He's hurt, Liam. He is fine, Mia. Stop worrying so much. But he's in trouble. He is not fine. He cannot get up. Go away, Mia. Fine, I will help him myself. Hold on, Mr. Wilson. I am coming. Mr. Wilson! Mr. Wilson! I am here!
Mia, I fell. My leg.
Oh no, hold on. I'm here. It is okay, Mr. Wilson. I am here. Do not worry. This is bad. I need to get help. Mr. Wilson, I am going to get my mom. Mom! Mom, where are you? Liam, please. Mr. Wilson is really hurt. Please come. Mia, stop. You are blocking my show. Liam, this is serious. Mr. Wilson fell. He cannot get up. His leg is hurt. He is an old man. He needs our help right now.
Give me that remote, Mia. Right now. He has a phone. He can call someone himself.
But he's hurt.
I don't care.
I cannot believe you, Liam.
What would you do if you were me? Tell us in the comments. And subscribe so you never miss what happens next.
Mia, what happened? Why are you crying?
Mom, Mr. Wilson fell in his garden. He cannot stand up. His leg looks very bad.
Oh no. Are you sure, Mia?
Yes, Mom. I saw him. I held his hand. Please hurry.
Hello? Yes, this is an emergency. My neighbor fell. He is an elderly man. His leg is injured. The address is 14 Maple Street. Please come quickly. Thank you.
Mom, I was so scared.
You did the right thing, sweetheart. You were very brave.
Mom, the ambulance is coming.
Good. We called in time.
Mia. Thank goodness. Beatrice, she saved me.
Sir, can you hear me? We are here to help you.
Yes, my leg. It really hurts.
Okay, sir. We're gonna take care of you. You are safe now, sir. Just stay still.
Please be okay.
He is in good hands now.
Is Mr. Wilson okay? What happened? Mom, an ambulance. That is real.
Mr. Wilson is on his way to the hospital. Liam, your sister asked for your help. You said no.
I did not know it was serious. You chose not to listen, Liam.
You were wonderful today, Mia.
I was so scared, Mom.
Being scared is okay. But you still helped. That is what matters.
She was right. She was telling the truth. I need to say sorry. Mia, I am sorry. I should have listened to you. You were right. It was serious, and I did not help. Can we make something for Mr. Wilson to take to the hospital? Yes, let's bring him fruit and a card.
Good idea. Let's pick the best ones.
I'll get a bag from the fridge. Thank you, Liam.
Come on, let us go see Mr. Wilson.
Liam, thank you for coming.
Thank you for not giving up on me, Mia.
If this was your neighbor lying there hurt, Would you have run like me or stayed like Liam? Comment the truth.